I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can delete elements in GemPages. So there's actually situations, and I've added different rows, and then inside a row, or maybe let's say inside let's say we add a carousel. Inside this carousel, we have maybe different rows, actually two here. Then it's just hard to select to get that button to delete the element. So what you can do in that instance, you can, let's select, I want the carousel, and then maybe no, actually I want this, row, okay, to delete. And it is selected, but where's the delete button? Usually is located here, right? So I was quite confused at the beginning when I was starting using GemPages, but there's actually a quick fix for this. When you click select your element that you want to delete, just scroll all the way down, and here you should see delete element. Okay, so I hope you found this tip, short tutorial, short GemPages tutorial builder helpful. Thanks for watching.